Tracking student and class progress. After you've logged into STEMSIMS, select the Analytics tab from the top menu. Choose which class you want to observe. A summary of the student roster, assignments, and class progress for this class appears on this page. The class average is reported on the top right side of the screen. The student roster shows the students currently in this class. The Assignments tab shows the current assignments and their due dates for this class. Choose the blue Progress tab from the right side of the screen. You can view student progress over the past 7, 28, 90, 180, or 365 days. The graph appears that charts the students in this class's performance on key lessons associated with the standards. To view the progress of multiple classes, select the Progress tab from the left side of the screen. Again, change the time between 7 days to 365 days. A graph appears that charts the students in multiple classes' performance level on key lessons associated with the standards. Select the Student Progress and Mastery menu and change it to Teacher and Student Usage over time, and a graph appears that shows how many students and teachers accessed lessons on a given date. Use the same drop-down menu to change to Student and Teacher Usage and view a heat map that shows the time of day when most usage occurred.